Okay guys, we're going to take a look today at the new Pro Series HD cameras and what's included, because we've made a lot of new improvements to make this super easy for you guys to install yourselves, whether you're a home installer or a professional. We have actually continued to make these really easy and they're completely plug and play now. But this is what's going to be included in all our universal bracket cameras or OEM style cameras. We actually sell two different styles, so you can choose this type of mount that you want. And we're going to showcase you the bracket style right here now and show you how the connections work and what you get in the box. So straight up, the camera is going to come like this. These are IP67 dustproof and waterproof rated cameras with stainless steel screws and powder coating on them, so they're not going to rust for you. They do come with 3 years warranty now, so we're going to cover you for all your new car warranty because we do so many new cars, such as the Toyota Hiluxes, etc. We do so many camera kits that we thought we'd extend the warranty for you because they are rock solid for us. This is how they're going to come. They come with these 3 loops. These are 3 options in order to allow you to adjust things based on your installation purpose. So what you would do is you can cut or join these depending on what you want, but the green line is your guidelines that are built into the camera, which is your yellow, red and green lines on the screen to help you guide when parking. You can turn those on and off for clarity. But the white loop and the blue loop are the horizontal and vertical flipping of the image orientation that displays on your screen. So example is, if you mounted it as a front camera, you could flip it horizontally in order to give you the correct orientation when you look at it, or if you mounted it upside down, you could flip it vertically to give a better orientation for whatever you need. So that's why these cameras are super versatile. They are small footprint. We have the dimensions on our website, AutoChimp Electronics, and you can see more about them on our YouTube channel as well. But they have super night vision. They don't need much lux in order to see. They're a super CMOS chipset on board. They're going to come with a double-sided tape for mounting them, a few screws where you just drill a hole and mount them, and they're quick clipped on, so you can actually do that very easily yourself. And these are some of the improvements we've made. You've got the 8-meter cable that runs from front to rear that powers your camera and takes your video signal from the camera to whatever screen you're going to display it on. Now, firstly, they come with a waterproof connector at the rear here, which is great because if you ever damage your camera, you can actually replace it at the rear without running the cables again. But then it's going to run all the way to the front of the vehicle. We do actually include some loom tubing for extra protection should you want to use it, cable ties to tie it up from the front to the rear of the vehicle. And then this is the new connection styles that we've actually going to be included in all our universal cameras. In fact, all our cameras, whether it be our rugged HD cameras or our standard Pro Series cameras, you're going to get 2 connectors. And this is how it's going to be. You've got one, your universal application connector here, which is going to plug into our 4-pin plug. And it's going to give you these 3 outputs, which are 12-volt accessory power, ground and video composite output. Now that's to go to any aftermarket screen that you want to run your signal on, and this is to power your camera. And the reason it's all up the front now is that all the vehicles can be powered from the screens and the reverse up the front of your vehicle, so you don't need to tap into reverse lights anymore. That makes it super easy. But the benefit of this is we've improved the cameras to be a direct connection for our multi-camera system. So you can use this, which is the multi-camera adapter, which is a 4-pin Toyota style plug straight into a multi-cam adapter. So if you are running one of our multi-camera kits, which are becoming super popular around the world, we've started shipping these everywhere, to run extra cameras on, say, your factory screen, you can run up to 4 extra cameras with the multi-camera kit. This is just the wireless remote, but I'm gonna show you how they connect. What you would have is this connected to the factory screen in the vehicle, and then you can run up to 3 extra cameras, and this is actually going to power the cameras, so you don't have to wire them anymore. So these modules are actually plug and play to your stereo. We have vehicle specific solutions, and then to mount your cameras, you just mount them, run them and plug it in. So no wiring's necessary. There's no cutting, no splicing, will not void your factory warranty. We sell this to Toyotas around the world, everywhere. We do so many vehicles like this. It's just been constantly improved to make it super easy for you guys. And the benefit of these cameras, if you wanted, we do actually sell an 8-meter extension that can go in the middle here, and you can run up to 2 additional extensions, so that if you mounted this on your caravan, camper or trailer, you could run another 8-meter extension. Then you would have your braking point at your trailer hitch up. So when you hitch up your trailer lights and stuff like that, you can actually connect our camera at the same time, and then this would run on the car side up to your stereo, and then that would plug into the stereo if you're running that system. So again, you can do either connection. You can run the universal connection. And if you're running those universal extensions, we do sell adapters like this, which you can plug them in to your fuse box if you want to double up and do it that way, so that you're not soldering and wiring yourself. But otherwise, red to red on most stereos, black to black on most aftermarket stereos. Factory stereos will be different colors, okay guys? But super simple. That's how we've done all our cameras now. Really high quality, and I hope you love that. We're gonna run you through some more stuff on our YouTube channel, AutoChimp Electronics.